Welcome to Engine Explorer, your ultimate destination for the world's most jaw-dropping machines, and today, I'm about to take you inside a rolling masterpiece that redefines what luxury travel means. This isn't just an RV, it's the 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome, a palace on wheels that blurs the line between a five-star resort and a high-tech superyacht. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Prevost commands attention. Its massive frame is wrapped in a flawless, aerodynamic body finished in deep metallic tones, with gold chrome accents catching the sunlight. This isn't just transportation, this is a statement that says, I travel first class everywhere I go. Step closer and you'll notice the precision in every detail. The LED headlight arrays, the sculpted side panels, and the retractable smart steps feel more like something you'd find on a concept supercar than a motorhome. But the magic really begins when you step inside. The moment the doors open, you're greeted by a wave of cool, climate-controlled air scented with fresh leather. The 2026 Prevost interior is nothing short of breathtaking. Italian leather seating, polished walnut cabinetry, and hand-woven silk carpets underfoot. The lighting is all ambient and customizable, letting you shift from soft golden glow to bright daylight with just a touch. The lounge area feels like it belongs in a luxury penthouse suite. A 90-inch 8K OLED display drops from the ceiling, paired with a surround sound system tuned for cinematic perfection. Every seat has built-in massage, heating, and cooling functions, so whether you're cruising the coast or parked in the mountains, comfort is guaranteed. Moving into the kitchen, this isn't your typical RV galley. We're talking full-size smart appliances, marble countertops, and an AI-assisted cooking system that can literally help you prepare gourmet meals while you enjoy the view. Imagine sipping champagne as the Prevost glides silently down the highway thanks to its ultra-quiet hybrid drivetrain. The master bedroom is pure indulgence. A king-size bed with memory foam and cooling gel layer sits under a panoramic skylight, letting you fall asleep under the stars. Automated blackout shades ensure you wake only when you want to. And the ensuite bathroom? Heated floors, rainfall shower, and gold-trimmed fixtures, because why not? Of course, the 2026 Prevost isn't just about luxury. It's about smart living. The integrated AI system manages everything from climate to security, even monitoring your route for traffic and weather in real time. Solar panels on the roof and a high-capacity battery bank mean you can go completely off-grid for days without losing comfort. This is more than a motorhome, and it's a lifestyle statement. It tells the world that you value freedom, but you refuse to compromise on elegance and innovation. The 2026 Prevost doesn't just take you places. It transforms the journey itself into the destination. Like Suckerby and Share,